Hello everyone. In our today's video, we're going to learn command line arguments in shell scripting with example. So let's begin. First, what is command line argument? Command line argument is basically what is command line argument? Command line argument is passed by the user during the runtime of the program. These command line arguments are basically used for either control the flow of commands or input data during the execution. Why you use command line argument? Command line argument is mostly used for controlling the program from outside. Below listed variables are used in command line argument to get the information related to argument. All these variables are assigned with dollar symbol, say $0. It will show the file name of the current script you are running. $n, that means n number of arguments you have passing, the number nth argument you have passed in the command line. $hash means total number of argument you have supplied in the shell script. $star is used for showing all the arguments in double quote. $@ is used for all the arguments are used individually, double quote. $? Exit status of last command executed on your system. Simple $sign is used for showing the current process number. This process number ID is under the currently executing shell script. And $! sign is used for number of processes running in the background. Now let's see how to use the command line argument. All you know, in command line argument, we are going to denote the arguments with $1, $2, $3. That means argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, so on, like nth argument up to. Now you can define n number of argument in shell script. There is no limit defined by the shell script. It depends on the operating system you are using. Let's try a simple program to understand the command line argument, how we are going to use in our shell script. This is the first program. We are saving it with first.sh. You can open this using gedit. In your terminal you can type gedit first.sh and write this below code. Showing the file name with $0 in parameter 1, $1 in parameter 2, $2, and quoted value means what total argument you have passed in the command line. This is the output screen of the program. There are some additional commands also which we can use in command line arguments. First is set. Set command is used to set the position parameter of command line argument. Let's see the example. Set, how are you doing? Echo first argument and second argument. It will show the arguments you are setting using the set command. Another is shift. The shift command is basically used for shifting the argument parameters. Say you want to shift the argument 2 into argument 1. You will write shift 1. That means automatically it will shift the argument 2 into argument 1. All the arguments will be shifted one place. Let's see with an example. This is the example program for shift argument. Echo total number of argument entered $hash. It will show the total number of arguments. Then the first argument we are printing with echo. Now we are using echo shift argument position by 1, and the command is shift 1. Automatically the argument will be shifted one place. Now you print the argument, you will see the difference. Similarly, we are shifting 2 places, and then after shifting 4 places. And let's see the output after shifting. We have named the file with shift.sh and given these arguments: access command line argument by shifting position. Hey, good morning. Welcome everyone to this Linux tutorial world. Let's see how this argument, total argument passed 17, and first argument is access, and it after shifting first argument will be command. Then after shifting 2 places, first argument will be argument, and after shifting 4 places, the first argument will be hey. This is a very simple example to display the command line arguments with different parameters. To see the total arguments, first argument, second argument, up to 5th argument, you can give up to nth argument. This is a very simple program, you can try. This is the output of the program. To see the argument count and all the arguments one by one. Now we are going to create a shell script using loop to see all the arguments one by one using a for loop. Here is the coding for that program. Just simply writing this for loop: for I in double quote $@. That means all the arguments one by one it will show. We are starting the for looping after using to echo. The argument is $I. I means iteration 1, first argument, second argument. Likewise, it will show all the arguments. Let's see the output of this program. Yeah, this is the output. This is how we have learned how to use command line argument in bash shell scripting programs and how to process those arguments in different ways. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. To see such type of videos, you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification first. Thank you for watching.